the solution is actually very simple. So the first step is we wanted a user to enter a color. Then the next thing we wanted a user to enter was a country. Then the next thing we wanted was actually like the name of the flower. So that was very simple. So this actually should be like the step one. So step one. So what we actually know is we are going to get in more than like one string. So that means we are going to use the get line instead of actually the cin. So just cin and then the variable name. So we are not going to do that. So we are going to use actually the get line, which will allow us to pass in actually like the cin and the variable name. So to do that, of course, you're going to use the cout. So maybe like which is maybe like your favorite flower. Then give some space here. So then we can say in the next line, then we can now store this. So we're going to say now get line. Then we now pass in this. So we're going to declare first the string. So we're going to say string. So we want the name, the color, and then we want the country. So we now pass in we now say cin, then we want the name. So then and so we can also going to again cout, then like from which country. So let's say from, so don't mind about the order. So from which country, then you're going to end the line here. So then we're going to get the line if just in case the user enters in a country with like two names. So we're going to say country, then we're going to print the last one. So cout maybe like so we've already entered the flower name, the country, and then maybe like which color. So then we're going to end the line here. Then you're going to get the line. So make sure you pass in the cin, and then also you pass in the color. So we are done with that. So the next thing was to actually like now print out as the output. So you're going to say cout, then I'm going to say now your favorite flower is, then we're going to say the flower name here. Then we're going to like actually like print this. So print this in a new line. Then the next thing we're also going to see out here is the color is always, then pass in here the color, then in a new line again, then cout again. So that's the final one. Then imported from, so a space here, imported from, then country. Then there was a statement that says overseas. Then we are done. So what I wanted to test you on is actually like the multi-line string declaration to save on variables. So instead of like string name, string color, because these are of the same data type, then we can declare them. Then I wanted to also test you on the get line. So to make sure that you really grasp what we talked about on user input, then you can do a string concatenation over here. So remember to always return something. So because we don't have maybe to like return any output for now, so by default we can just include that. So if you now run it, you see that what's your favorite color flower. So I can say maybe like more home, let's say, oh, I don't know flowers, so let me just say sunflower again. Which country? I need it from USA this time now. Which color? Yellow. So your favorite flower is sunflowers. So it should be actually sunflower, so it's just some typo. Then the color is always yellow. They imported from USA overseas. Unfortunately, we didn't put a space here, so that was we need to put a space here so that it doesn't like also it doesn't like look compressed or not here. So we can now run this. So you can now run it. The favorite color is flower is sunflower maybe. Then from which country? Now I want it for maybe like India. Then which color? It's always yellow. So your favorite flower is sunflower. The color is always yellow, imported from India overseas. So that was all you had to do about this code. So sometimes it's good to comment out your code, but of course this is just still a basic one, so it doesn't need any commenting. But it's good to comment your code where you have functions or something dealing technically with that. That's very technical of an update.